Hey everyone, how's it going? We have the OMT valve spring compressor kit, and we need to change out a couple valves on this head of the 5.3. It comes with 3 adjusting rods. This is this rod here, and we have 5 adapters. So let's check it out. Has some decent weight to it. Doesn't feel like it's made cheap. I don't know if I put it together right. So we're taking the one rod and we're just going to push it through about yay far. It has a little push pin on it. We're going to use this one in the back. I think that one there should work fine for the front. And we're just screwing together. I'm going to put this one on it now. Line this up. Adjust it in some. See how we look back there. See if we look where we are. We're good there. Give this a little squeeze. And pushes it right in. Just a little adjustment. Got my little magnet. That's that one. Get a little pit here. A pair of needless pliers. Pushing it just a little more. There we go. Go ahead and unscrew it now. Leave some tension here. I'm not going to bore you with the whole process of doing everything. Move it off. And that one's out. Kit works pretty good. Going to replace it with a standard GM. Checking the port here real quick. I have carpet pads laying down here for a reason. That way everything's nice and soft for the head. we're going to clean that up. Give you guys the idea. Show you what we're doing. This is the valve that has the JB weld on it. We're replacing this one also. We're checking for any infractions here. As you see, the head here had a little bit of pitting from the JB weld. It was just on the inside here. But everything checked out okay. Getting over a cold, at least trying to. But, alright, we're going to go ahead and clean that up. I forgot to show you how it works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget, we're doing a giveaway with a ratchet wrench set. I don't want to touch it because my hands are nasty. When we hit 500 subs, we are about 130. I'd like to thank everybody. Have a great day. Bye.